Good morning, Year 3. Happy Friday. It's Mrs. Collins here with today's maths lesson. Please pause the clip and give yourself time to write today's short date. Today we're going to be doing a 3 times table quiz to practice all those skills you've worked on this week. Press play when you're ready to move on. Before our quiz, let's get our brains warmed up. On the screen, you'll see 3 chili challenges. All the questions are from the 3 times table. Be careful as there's some divides in there too. Press pause, have a go, and play when you're ready to go through the answers. Welcome back. Let's see if you've got these right. Mile challenge. You can say the calculation with me and tick off your answer as we go along. Are you ready? 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. 10 times 3 is 30. Well done. I hope you're shouting out the answers as we go through. Spicy challenge. 6 times 3 is 18. 21 divided by 3. Remember, we're doing the inverse is 7. 9 times 3 is, should be 27. Well done. 11 times 3 is 33. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Well done. Give yourself a tick if you got those right. If you're still struggling with your divides, remember it's just going the opposite way. So 24 divided by 3, you need to think how many 3's go into 24. Look, here's the 3 times table to help us. 8 times 3 equals 24. So 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Let's move on. Skills Shop this morning is asking us to look at some representations and fill in these calculations. How many 3's have we got? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 groups of 3. How many 3's is that? Let's count in 3's. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. The representation shows us that 5 times 3 equals 15. Could we write this starting with the answer? Something equals something divided by 3. Okay, so if we're going to do 15 divided by 3, what will the answer be? How many 3's go into 15? The picture shows us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 3's go into 15. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Well done, Year 3. Let's move on. Can you have a go at this by yourself? Look at the representations on the screen and count up. How many groups are there? How many lots of 3? And can you work it out as a divide? If you get stuck, you could use your number line that you've got in your pack or the 3 times table that you wrote in your book last lesson. Pause and have a go, give yourself a few minutes and press play to go through the answers. Welcome back. Let's have a look at the mile challenge. We had 1, 2 lots of 3. Let's count in 3's. 3, 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Or we could have had 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Could have had it either way around. Let's have a look at the next representation. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 3. That's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3 times 5 is 15, or 5 times 3 is 15. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. This calculation is just set out the other way with the answer at the start. 5 equals 15 divided by 3. Let's have a look at the hot challenge. Did you push yourself and give it a go? I hope so. Let's have a look together. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups of 3. How many 3s is that? Counting 3s with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 6 times 3 equals 18. So 18 divided by 3 must be 6. Well done if you got those right, Year 3. You're working so hard. Now today we're going to be doing a quiz when we get onto our independent work. But before that, we're going to have a bit of revision just to get our brains warmed up and remind ourselves how good we are now at multiplying and dividing by 3. All the questions that I go through this morning, you can use your times tables that's in your book or your number line to help you work them out. You might also choose to do brain only or count up in 3s using your fingers or objects at home. Let's have a look at this challenge. Match the question to the correct answer. I wonder if you could do this in your book. Write each calculation nice and neatly in your Maths Home Learning book, and then write the correct answer. You don't need to draw lines in your book. We can do that together afterwards. Pause the video to do that and press play to go through the answers. Welcome back. Have you had a go at that in your book? Let's see what the answers were. 4 times 3 equals 12. Give yourself a tick if you got that right. 4 times 3 equals 12, then 12 divided by 3 must equal 4. Well done. 5 times 3 equals 15. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Well done, you can give yourself a tick if you got that right. If you got any of them wrong, maybe you could write it out again neatly now so you've got the correct answers to learn from. The next question asks us to circle. Circle the numbers and images that are in the 3 times table. Let's have a look at each one individually. What does this representation show? Got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Is 9 in the 3 times table? Oh, yes it is. 3 times 3 equals 9. So 9 does come up in the 3 times table. What about the number 6? Oh yeah, 3, 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. We need to circle that one. We've got 6 again there, so we know that needs circling. What about the others? Pause the video, have a look. Press play when you're ready to discuss. Okay, let's have a look at the other representations, Year 3. 36, what did you think? Yes or no? Yes, it is in the 3 times table because 12 times 3 equals 36. What about the number 17? Yes or no? No, it doesn't come up in the 3 times table, so we're not going to circle that one. What about the number 15? Yes or no? Yes, it is in the 3 times table because 5 times 3 equals 15. We've got 2 base 10 sticks of 10 here, 10, 20. Does 20 come up in the 3 times table? No, it doesn't. So we're going to leave that one blank. 31. Does 31 come up? Yes or no? No, it doesn't. How many cubes have we got in this representation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Does 10 come in the 3 times table? No, it doesn't. So it's just the ones that we've circled that are representations in the 3s. You're going to have a question like this in your quiz today, so I hope that's given you good practice to access it independently. Let's have a look at this array. Can you write the fact family? Look by looking at the picture. Let's do it together. I'll do it on the screen and you do it in your maths book. What does it show us? Let's go down first. So we've got 1, 2, 3. So the first number is 3 lots. 3 lots of how many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 lots of 9. And we know that 3 times 9 equals 27. We should know that by now. We've practiced it lots this week. What else is this picture showing us? Showing us 3 rows down, but what about across? How many rows have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's showing us 9 across with 1, 2, 3 counters in it. 9 times 3 equals 27. It's the exact same answer, but the numbers are the other way around. What if we were going to use a division sum? Start with the biggest number. 27 divided by, how many rows have we got? 1, 2, 3. 27 divided by 3. How many counters in each row? Oh, there were 9. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. What will the last division fact be? Can you write that on your own? That's right, we need to start with 27. Switching the numbers around, divided by 9 equals 3. Well done, you've just used the array to write your fact family. Great work, Year 3. Let's have a look at this word problem. It says there are 5 cookies in a jar. How many cookies would there be in 3 jars? Write a number sentence to help you work this out. Let's underline the key information. We've got 5 cookies in 3 jars. So the sum that we need is 5 multiplied by 3. What's 5 lots of 3? Let's count up together. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. There would be 15 cookies altogether. Well done, Year 3. In your packs, you've got 3 pages of quiz questions. You might decide today, because we're doing a quiz, you want to write on the sheet itself. That's absolutely fine. If you decide to do that, just remember to keep the sheet in your book when you hand it back in on Friday, ready for your teacher to mark. Just a reminder that when you bring your sheets back, your teacher will keep them over the weekend to mark them and give you your books back the following week when you collect your new learning packs. If you get stuck on anything, you can go back to the video, rewatch some of my demonstrations, or you can email your teachers on the Year 3 email address. We hope you've enjoyed today's learning. Have a lovely weekend and we'll see you next week for more maths. Bye for now.